Welcome to Science with Facts, the channel where we uncover the mysteries of our universe, one fact at a time. Today's question: what is quantum theory? It's one of the most mind-bending ideas in science, and it completely changes how we see reality. So get ready, because things are about to get weird. First, the basics. Quantum theory is the study of the tiniest things in the universe. We're talking about atoms, electrons, and even smaller particles called quarks. Down at this super small level, the normal rules of physics you learned in school just don't apply. It's a whole new ballgame. For instance, particles can be in two places at once, or even seem to teleport from one spot to another in ways that feel like magic. It's not magic though. It's just quantum mechanics. Now, one of the strangest parts of quantum theory is something called wave-particle duality. Imagine you have a tiny particle, like an electron or a photon of light. Is it a solid little ball, or is it a spread-out wave? The bizarre answer is it's both. It can behave like a particle and like a wave, depending on how we observe it. It's almost as if the universe changes its behavior just because you're looking at it. How wild is that? And it gets even stranger. Quantum theory also introduces us to superposition, which means particles can exist in multiple states at the same time until they're measured. Think of a spinning coin. It's both heads and tails until it lands. Then there's the famous Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This principle states that you can never know everything about a particle at the same time. For example, the more precisely you know a particle's position, the less you know about its speed, and vice versa. It seems the universe has a fundamental level of unpredictability built right into it. So you might be thinking, this is all weird, but why does it matter? Well, quantum theory isn't just a bunch of strange ideas. It has huge real-world applications that you use every day. The computer or phone you're watching this on works because of transistors, which are designed using quantum mechanics. The lasers in your Blu-ray player and the MRI machines in hospitals are also powered by quantum principles. And looking to the future, it's the foundation for quantum computing, a revolutionary technology that could solve problems we can't even dream of tackling today. Ultimately, quantum theory challenges our very understanding of reality itself. It forces us to ask deep questions like, what does it mean for something to be real? Does the act of observing something actually change it? Could there be multiple realities existing at the same time? Scientists and philosophers are still exploring these mind-blowing questions today. So there you have it. Quantum theory is our ultimate guide to the tiny, weird, and wonderful building blocks of the universe. What part of quantum theory blows your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Science with Facts for more amazing science mysteries. Thanks for watching.